Biology made up of two Greek words, bios meaning living organisms, logos meaning to study. Biology deals with study of all about living organisms. फादर ऑफ बायोलॉजी एरिस्टोटल, अरस्तु भी बोलते हैं एरिस्टोटल को. बॉटनी ऑल्सो कॉल्ड फाइटोलॉजी, बॉटनी डील्स विथ स्टडी ऑफ प्लांट्स. फादर ऑफ बॉटनी साइंटिस्ट थियोफ्रास्टस. जूलॉजी मेड अप ऑफ टू ग्रीक वर्ड्स, जून मीनिंग एनिमल्स, लॉगस मीनिंग टू स्टडी. जूलॉजी डील्स विथ स्टडी ऑफ एनिमल्स. फादर ऑफ जूलॉजी साइंटिस्ट एरिस्टोटल, इनको अरस्तु भी प्रोनाउंसिएट करते हैं. डेफिनेशन ऑफ सेल. सेल इज स्मॉलेस्ट बेसिक फंडामेंटल structural and functional unit of life or living organisms that shows free existence. Hierarchy of complex body organization. Atom, group of atom, molecule, group of molecules, compound, compound organize होके cell organelle बनाएंगे, cell organelle organize होके cell बनाएंगे, group of cells tissue, group of tissues organ, group of organs organ system, ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गन सिस्टम बॉडी या ऑर्गेनिज्म बनाएंगे. डिस्कवरी ऑफ सेल. रॉबर्ट हुक 1665 इन कॉर्क ऑफ स्पेनिश ओक ट्री, साइंटिफिक नेम क्वेरकस, ऑब्जर्व्ड हेक्सागोनल honeycomb like empty chambers called as cellula, laterally converted in cell. Cell theory given in 1839. Cell theory given by Matthias Jakob Schleiden, German botanist, and Theodor Swan, British zoologist. Schleiden said plant body is made up of different cells. Cells together form plant tissues. Swan said animal cell has flexible elastic covering called cell membrane. Swan also said plant cell has unique rigid hard outer covering called cell wall, which is characteristic feature of plant cell. Statements in cell theory. Cell is basic, smallest, fundamental unit of life showing free existence. Cell made up of cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Plants and animals are result of cells and cell products. Cell has nucleus. Nucleus contains genetic material that is DNA. DNA express and inherit characters. Function of organisms depend on functions of cells and cell components and coordination among them. Omnis cellula e cellula, that is, new cells arise from pre-existing cells by cell division. Statement given by Rudolf Virchow, 1855. Exceptions of cell theory. Virus, acellular organism, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus absent. Mature RBC and mature sieve tube are enucleated or anucleated cells, that is, nucleus absent. Many organisms or cells, they are unicellular, multinucleated, having more than one nuclei. For example, like Opalina, hypha of Rhizopus, Paramecium, Cynocytic plant cells, Syncytium animal cells. An overview of cell. To study plant cell, onion peel used. To study animal cell, cheek cell used. Cell has three parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Cell membrane, protective covering of cell. Cytoplasm, arena of biosynthetic activities performed by cell organelles. Nucleus, brain or controller of cell, controls cellular activities. Cells are of two types: prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, nucleus absent, primitive nucleus present, membrane bound cell organelles absent, 70s ribosome present. Eukaryotic cell, true well-developed nucleus present, membrane-bound cell organelles present, ATS-type ribosome. Size of cells. Smallest cell, mycoplasma, PPLO, pleuropneumonia-like organism, 0.1 to 0.3 micrometer. Largest cell, ostrich egg, 170 into 150 millimeter or 15 centimeter. Longest cell, nerve cell या न्यूरॉन 90 centimeter to 1 meter. Longest plant cell, acetabularia green algae 10 centimeter. Virus 0.02 से 0.2 micrometer. RBC 7 micrometer size. Typical bacteria 1 to 2 micrometer size. In general, bacteria 3 to 5 micrometer in size. Shapes of cells: oval, spherical, disc-like, cuboidal, columnar, polygonal, spindle shape, irregular shape. Oval shaped, for example, egg cell. Polygonal, for example, liver cell. Elongated, branched, for example, neuron, nerve cell. Branched cell, for example, pigment cell of skin. Spindle shaped, for example, muscle cell. Slipper shaped, for example, paramecium. Differences between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. Small, large. Primitive nucleus, true advanced nucleus. Nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, etc. absent. Present. Circular double-strand DNA, linear double-strand DNA. Naked nucleoid DNA, DNA present as chromatin. Histone protein absent, present. G triple bond C more than A double bond T, A double bond T more than G triple bond C. Plasmid present, absent. Membrane bound cell organelles absent, present. 70S ribosome, 80S ribosome, main ribosome. Compartmentization absent, present. Flagella made up of flagellin protein, flagella made up of tubulin protein. Differences between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. True vacuole, that is sap vacuole, absent, present. Pseudo vacuole, that is gas vacuole, present, absent. Centrosome and centriole absent, present. Cilia absent, present. Unstacked scattered thylakoids. Thylakoids stacked as granum. Cyclosis, that is cytoplasmic streaming, absent, present. Cytoskeleton absent, present. Single envelope present, double envelope present. Differences between plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell, animal cell. Cell wall present, absent. Plastids, chloroplast present, absent. Few large vacuoles present, many small vacuoles present. Golgi body present as dictyosome, Golgi body present as Golgi complex. Centrosome, centriole absent, present. Cell plate method of cytokinesis, cell furrow or cleavage furrow method of cytokinesis. Cannot change shape. Can change shape. Differences between plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell, animal cell. Cannot change position. Few cells can change position. Nucleus present at periphery. Nucleus present at periphery. Nucleus present in center. Light trapping pigments like chlorophyll, carotenoid, etc. present, absent. An astral or eccentric spindle fiber, astral or centric spindle fibers. Centrifugal cytokinesis, centripetal cytokinesis. Stored food is starch, stored food is glycogen. Structures also called cell membrane, also called plasma membrane, also called plasma lemma, also called biomembrane. Cytosol, also called cytoplasmic matrix, also called hyaloplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum, also called system of membranes, also called framework of the cell, also called endocytoskeleton of the cell. Structures, also called Golgi body, also called traffic police of the cell, also called middleman of the cell, also called director of macromolecular traffic of the cell. Lysosome, also called suicidal bag of the cell, also called cleaner or scavenger of the cell, also called disposal unit of the cell. Vacuole, also called storehouse of the cell. Structures, also called mitochondria, also called powerhouse of the cell, also called energy mill of the cell, also called battery of the cell. Chloroplast, also called kitchen of the cell. Mitochondria, it represents aerobic bacteria. Chloroplast, it represents photosynthetic bacteria. Both mitochondria and chloroplast, they represent semi-autonomous cell organelles. They represent cell within cell type of cell organelles. They represent prokaryotic cells present within eukaryotic cell. They represent endosymbiotic bacteria. Structures, also called ribosome, also called Pallade particle, also called protein factory of the cell, also called engine of the cell. Nucleus, also called brain or controller or regulator of the cell. Nucleolus, also called ribosome factory of the cell. Spherosome, also called plant lysosome. Ribosome represents smallest cell organelle, and it also represents cell organelle within cell organelle. Nucleus, it represents largest cell organelle. Scientist discoveries. Robert Hooke, 1665. He discovered cell, he discovered dead cell, he discovered cell wall. Anton von Leeuwenhoek, 1674. He discovered living cells like amoeba, RBC, sperm cell, bacteria, etc. M.J. Sliden and Theodore Swan, 1839. They gave widely accepted cell theory. Scientist discoveries. Rudolf Virchow, 1855. He gave modern cell theory, he gave modified cell theory. Singer and Nicholson, 1972. He is famous for fluid mosaic model of cell membrane. Nageli and Kramer, they gave term cell membrane. Scientist discoveries. Pfeffer, he gave term plasma membrane. Plove, he gave term plasma lemma. Dujardin in 1835 discovered protoplasm and called protoplasm as sarcode. Purkinje, 1839, gave term protoplasm. Julian Huxley, he said protoplasm is physical and physiological basis of life. Scientist discoveries. Strasburger, he gave term cytoplasm, he gave term plasmodesmata. Porter and Thomson, 1945, they discovered endoplasmic reticulum. Term endoplasmic reticulum given by scientist Porter. Camillo Golgi, 1898, he discovered Golgi body from nerve cell of barn owl. Scientist discoveries. Christian de Duve, 1955, discovered lysosome. Kolliker, 1880, he discovered mitochondria in insects. Scientist Altman, he called mitochondria as bioplast. Scientist C. Benda, 1886, gave term mitochondria. Scientist discoveries. Ernst Haeckel in 1866 discovered plastid. A. J. W. Schimper, 1883, gave term chloroplast. Robinson and Brown, 1953, discovered ribosome in plant cell. George Palade, 1955, discovered ribosome in animal cell and also gave term ribosome. Scientist discoveries. Talbot and Beavers discovered glyoxysome. Robert Brown, 1831, he discovered nucleus in root of orchids. Fontana, 1781, he discovered nucleolus. E.G. Balbiani, 1881, he discovered polytene chromosome. Fleming and Ruckert, 1882, they discovered lamp brush chromosome.